Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Caitlin, and in this video I will be making a vanilla milkshake decorated with candy and sprinkles. Create your own milkshake with your favorite flavor of ice cream and toppings. Let us know in the comments what your favorite milkshake flavor is. Milkshakes can be made using a blender or by hand with a whisk. Once your milkshake base is ready to go, you're ready to start decorating. Top your milkshake with whipped cream and your favorite candy or sweet treats. Continue watching this video to learn what we use to decorate our milkshake. Let's get started. Start by preparing your candy and toppings for your milkshake. Remove any candy from packaging and break into smaller pieces if desired. By portioning your decorations into cups, the decorating process will go much faster. Add any flimsy candy, like these sour strips, to skewers. Make sure to have any chocolate syrup and sprinkles ready to go. To make the milkshake base, mix 3 parts ice cream with 1 part milk. Start by mixing the ice cream with a whisk, then slowly add the milk. Once the ice cream and milk are completely mixed together, place in the freezer while you prepare the cup. This process can also be done in a blender. Hold the cup sideways over a container and squeeze some chocolate syrup on the outside of the top of the cup. Allow the chocolate to drip down the sides of the cup, then add sprinkles. Then add some chocolate syrup to the inside of the cup and allow it to drip down. Remove the milkshake base from the freezer and whisk to make sure the ingredients are fully incorporated. Pour the milkshake base into the cup, making sure to leave a couple of inches for the whipped cream. Pipe the whipped cream in a swirl on top of the milkshake. For a more sturdy whipped cream, make it from scratch and add gelatin to stabilize it. Add your candy toppings until you have achieved your desired look. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and turning on the notifications. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos. Let us know in the comment section below what types of videos you would like to see in the future. And if you would like to see more videos like this one, check out the miscellaneous desserts playlist on our channel. Stay updated on our newest products and check out our video reels by following us on Facebook and Instagram. Our social media links can be found in the description box below. We love to see the treats you create and how you use products from our store, so be sure to tag us in your posts. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.